men's groups are so vital because a lot of times they're alone in plain sight, and being in community will counteract that loneliness and isolation. There's research on this that men are statistically more likely to suffer from social isolation, particularly in marriage and even among career changes or midlife transitions. And men's groups, they get to rebuild that community for guys, to get clarity outside of the marriage, to get their center somewhere else so they can connect to their purpose, so they can connect to what they're meant to do. They can connect to other men, and it feels very grounding and stabilizing. And then from that place of strength, you're able to take feedback and be relational and negotiate and co-create with your partner, just as you have done.